Alright, yeah, we're ready. So guys, welcome to this vlog. Today, I'm off to Paris with, introduce yourself. Okay, that's a nice formal introduction. This is Natasha. I've mentioned her before as one of my friends. So, are you excited to go to Paris?
Yeah.
That's Alright, so today is the 31st. We're spending New Year's in Paris. She's never been. And then my birthday as well in Paris. So it took around an hour and a half for her to finally pack, but we're ready. So what do you think I should give myself for my birthday? Rolex, car.
Maybe like a sense of humor.
So, we arrived in one piece. She's already crashed. Can you not wait until I turn 18?
I'm so excited.
I'm officially an adult.
Yay!
So day 2, forgot to vlog all of yesterday. How was your New Year's?
Amazing.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go get lit.
So I've been testing out the A7R3 and I can honestly say
It's like the best camera I've ever used. Got a really slim body and no mirror, so you get the aperture perfect.
Yeah, explain what mirrorless is to her, so so she understands that now. And ow. And now we're just trying to find somewhere to pee. Don't you wish you were a guy sometimes and you could just do it anywhere?
Whip it out.
What is wrong with you? do you think they're gonna like
you? What funnel do you use? Tell me about your funnels.
Do you think they're gonna like you?
Well, everybody. I don't know.
No, if you say that, they won't like you.
I hope they do.
Alright guys, so comment down below whether I should keep her around or not.
Be nice to me. I love you guys. Oh, I feel at one with nature.
Like, honestly, who would think that she's the 21-year-old in this situation? Are you actually stuck?
What are your favorite books?
Alright, so they always ask me for book recommendations.
Okay.
Top
Which
3.
ones have you given them?
No, that'll sway your decision. What are your top 3 favorite books?
7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
Mm-hmm.
.com Secrets.
Yay!
Hey,
The plug.
One Thing.
The One Thing?
Yeah.
Magnetic lights in the blue haze, a magnifying glass upon my face.
Happy with how it turned out?
Yeah.
How was the trip?
It was really good.
Make sure it looked
Can you
pretty.
take your shirt off first? Get naked.
I'm doing like a 2-minute monologue, so.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
you're being serious?
Yeah.
Can I just put it on the table?
No. Just hold
This
it.
is a cool angle.
Natasha.
Email.
Natasha, can you hold?
Babe, I want to go to bed. Okay, let's just.
Can you just hold the
talking.
camera?
Okay.
Just hold.
Wait, it's really zooming in though.
Yeah, you have to literally physically move back. Yeah, are we good?
Yeah.
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 So guys, we are back in London and I'm officially 18, which is pretty cool. Just to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on January. In a week and a half, I'm actually flying out to Berlin. I've got like a little consulting job out there, so I'm training a creative agency. I'm doing all their funnels, training for their marketing department for 2 days. So I guess I'll document that. And then 28th of January is when the 6-figure SMMA course comes out. Now, obviously throughout this month, I'll be managing all my client work, still working on my personal brand, doing affiliate marketing, looking to scale up affiliate marketing a lot. I've had a really strong last like 2 weeks or so with affiliate marketing, which is always super exciting. But the big news for you guys is what are you laughing at? Are you gonna be buying the 6-figure SMMA?
Totally.
Okay, great. So the big thing I'm working on is the 6-figure SMMA. As I said, that's gonna be out on the 28th of January. I'm still like scratching my head as to what I'm actually gonna put in it, because right now I listed out everything, and there's like over 150 modules that I want to cover. I've got my sales guy is actually on a holiday right now, but I've got my sales guy coming in. And he's gonna do like a full section, so like a solid 10 videos on everything cold calling, and taking a cold lead and actually converting them into a client. I'm actually interviewing some of my old clients, because I'm very selective with who I work with, and I have really good relationships with all of my clients. So I'm actually gonna interview my old clients. So yeah, I'm gonna bring in some of the old clients, and I'm actually gonna interview them and go, ask them questions. I'm actually gonna bring them in and interview them, so you can actually get the perspective of a business owner, what they're looking for, the do's and the don'ts, whether that be in terms of cold outreach, whether that be via email, phone, a funnel, everything to how many times a month do they want to be contacted, what's most important to them. And these are all old clients of mine. Some of them, they outgrew me entirely. They started to bring in everything in-sourced. Some of them, they just got good enough at it that they could carry on. And then I think one of them actually just dropped me entirely. So that'll be an interesting perspective as well. I actually went on to do some consulting for them, so we're all good. So bunch of cool stuff in that course. And I've got 5-ish students who are now doing $5,000 to $10,000 a month in the past 3 months, and these are actually coaching students of mine, so I can bring them on and you can see what they're doing well. So overall, I'm super sleepy. It's been a long trip, but yeah guys, January is going to be another incredible month and a solid start to 2018. And I'm 18 years old now, so nothing I do is as cool as it was when I was underage. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, because we got lives twice a week, and I'm rambling now, so see you guys.